Network Now is an essential online networking and scheduling tool that helps to connect BOMA attendees with each other before, during, and after the conference. Network Now is easy to use, saves you time, and boosts your return on investment in the event. Here's how it works. Let's start with how to update your profile and demographic information so you can connect with your fellow attendees. From the My Profile screen, review and update your basic information so attendees can find you while conducting their searches and then be able to contact you. Navigate to the Search and Email Attendees page to find attendees who you'd like to network with at the conference. For example, if you'd like to find someone who has property management experience, enter this in the keyword field to narrow down your search. Everyone with property management listed in their profile will appear in your search results. To select favorite attendees, simply click on the star icon next to their name. Your list of favorites can be found on the My Favorites page. Use the email icon to send an email to a fellow BOMA attendee. Enter your personalized message and click on the Send Mail button to send the message directly to the attendee's inbox. Next, we will look for sessions that you would like to attend. Visit the Add Sessions to Your Calendar link on your attendee console. Here, you can view the sessions listed by day and time. You can also search by keywords or dates. To use more detailed criteria, click on the Advanced Search tab. Here, you can search by keyword, category, dates, and speakers. Choose your favorite sessions by clicking on the star checkbox next to the session name. Immediately sync your selections to your Outlook calendar by clicking on the Export to Outlook button on the bottom of your screen. You can view your personalized session schedule on the My Sessions page and print it as a PDF. Exporting your complete schedule to your Outlook can also be done from here. For technical support, contact our technical partner A to Z Inc. by sending an email to support@atozinc.net. Thank you for watching this video, enjoy networking, and we wish you a very successful event.